we keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because curiosity keeps leading us down a beautiful path and called learning. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management, staff and students of Summer Study Hall Girls School, it is my privilege to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Deepti Singh, MNS Rudrapur. She is an eminent personality and a visionary and above all, a great human being. Ma'am, we are grateful that you have taken out your precious time to honor us. I also take the opportunity to welcome our special invitees, Mrs. Ambika Pinto, the principal of St. Mary's School, Mr. Ralph Pinto, the director of St. Mary's School, Mrs. Madhu Sharma, the principal of Bright Start, and Mr. Kamboj, the management of Bright Start. For your inspiring presence this evening, I must welcome my mentor, Mr. Chaudhry Samarpal Singh, who is my father, and the principal of Summer Study Hall, Mr. Anuj Bhatia. I extend my welcome to our esteemed gathering of parents and media who are with us today to encourage the girls' hard work. Education is a shared commitment between dedicated teachers, motivated students, and enthusiastic parents. Parents, being the first teachers, have the potential to play an immense proactive role. Dear parents, you are like the proverbial complementary wheels of progress. A warm welcome to each one of you. Parents, you are the beam of support for all the efforts put in by the students and teachers. The dream begins with the teacher who believes in you, who tags you, pushes you, and leads you to a next plateau, sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called truth. Yes, dear teachers, you are the mentors, molders, sculptors, and architects whose consistent diligence, sincerity, and devotion can be visualized in today's performance. We hail and honor your noble struggle and sacrifice. We welcome you to enjoy the harvest of your own labor. Special words of welcome to the members of non-teaching staff who play a vital role in the growth of this temple of learning. A fraternal welcome to all the shining stars of Summer Study Hall Girls School. Dear friends, let us cherish the present, nurture it in the warmth of the cocoon of love and support. Summer Study Hall Girls School welcomes you all with its open arms today, always and forever. क्योंकि ये एक गर्ल्स स्कूल है, इसलिए हर नारी को अपनी तरफ से एक प्यार भरी भेंट मैं देना चाहती हूँ, छोटी सी कविता के रूप में। नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा, किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। सरस्वती का रूप हो तुम, लक्ष्मी का स्वरूप हो तुम, बढ़ जाएं जब अत्याचारी, दुर्गा काली का रूप हो तुम। किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। खुशियों का संसार हो तुम, प्रेम का आगार हो तुम, घर आंगन को रोशन करती सूरज की दमकार हो तुम। नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। ममता का सम्मान हो तुम, संस्कारों का ज्ञान हो तुम, स्नेह प्यार और त्याग की इकलौती पहचान हो तुम। किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। कभी कोमल फूल गुलाब सी, कभी शक्ति के अवतार सी, नारी तेरे रूप अनेक, तू ईश्वर के चमत्कार सी। किन शब्दों में दूं परिभाषा, नारी तुम हो सबकी आशा। धन्यवाद।